Sanbonani guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I'm also doing okay. Bros, we are doing a follow-up on PSL transfer news. Yes, on this channel. Now we are following up the PSL transfer news. Make sure that you support this channel by commenting, liking and subscribing. Let's go. Without any waste of time, let's get right into today's business. So guys, latest on the PSL transfer news, Thabiso Monyane, Orlando Pirates right back, 25-year-old, has decided to not sign a new deal for Orlando Pirates. It's a deal that was given by Orlando Pirates. He decided not to put pen to paper for the Buccaneers. Reasons are unknown, and the player has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs Amakhosi. I think we need to read the article about this. I think we need to read it. The article that was published a few hours ago. So ETLI article. It's understood that Umonyane has not put pen to paper on a new agreement with the Buccaneers, but unclear whether it is due to the two parties not finding each other on personal terms of it. Orlando Pirates are ready to release the player. Because I have sign a contract. What the public broadcaster has gathered, however, is that Monyane has been offered to Amakhosi as a free agent. As I have said, guys, the guy has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, article 80. Monyane saw his minutes diminish during the 2024-2025 season following the arrival of Dino van Rooyen from Stellenbosch. I think that's the reason. I think that's the reason why he wants to leave Orlando Pirates. Dino van Rooyen has been the preferred right back by Orlando Pirates. Coach Rivero ebedlala Dino van Rooyen in almost every game. Every time Dino van Rooyen was fit, he was playing. And I don't even blame the coach. Van Rooyen uyadlala bafowethu. Masi singa yenzi issue like he was being favored by the coach. Van Rooyen uyadlala. And Thabiso Monyane uyadlala nayo Thabiso Monyane, but Dino bafowethu, he's in top 3 right backs in PSL right now, I believe. I believe that then everyone can agree to me when I say that he's in top 3 right backs we have in the country. So Thabiso Monyane is also a player that is good, but ayikho kula level. He has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs fans, send in Buzile. What do you guys think? Do you think the best team in Africa, Kaizer Chiefs? Joking, we're not the best team in Africa. Do you guys think Kaizer Chiefs should sign this guy? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. Dino van Rooyen uqosha umjita ku-team yakhe. And I also want to know what you guys think about this. Thabiso Monyane not wanting to sign the deal because of Dino van Rooyen. Do you think, if that's the reason, do you think it's a wise move, it's a good decision by him to not sign a new deal for Orlando Pirates because of Dino van Rooyen? Or you guys think he should stay at the club, fight for his place up until the coaches prefer him over Dino van Rooyen, or a step in whenever Dino van Rooyen is unfit or injured, always be a backup for Dino van Rooyen? What do you guys think? Or do you guys think it's a great move for him to move away from Orlando Pirates since he does not want to be a backup? My opinion, I think because there are only 3 big clubs in PSL. Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns. If it Chiefs are entitled Umjita, which team will he play for? Stellis. If it's Stellis, it's Yamfuna. Cape Town City. If it's Cape Town City, Yamfuna. I think he's gambling with his career because the Chiefs are that. If this is true, that he's leaving Orlando Pirates because he's failing to compete with Dino van Rooyen, I think he's gambling with his career there. Anyways, it's up to the player what he decides to do. All we can say is good luck to Thabiso Monyane. One other issue, ebenifuna sithethe ngayo, uPercy Tau is now a free agent. I want us to talk about that. Should Kaiser Chiefs sign Upesitao since he's a free agent? What do you guys think about that? I want to know from the Corsi fans.